Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the Lone Star Speed YouTube channel. It's been a while since my last video, but I've had some big updates to the truck. I got some new wheels, like I said. They've been on for a couple months now, I just haven't had time to make the video. But today, that's what we're doing. So I'm going to introduce to you a couple things I've done off video, along with the wheels. I'm also going to give you an update on how the truck's doing. It's got about 24,000 miles on it. So, I chose to go with the Fuel Vector in graphite gray, with a BF Goodwrench 275/70 18 TKO2. Great tire package. As you know, in my last video, I did a 2.5 inch leveling kit on the front. So no rubbing, no trimming, nothing needed to fit this tire and wheel package. Yes, this is a 2-wheel drive truck, so there's no point in going anything more crazy than this. But it does give it a nice off-road look. And the wheels match the gray very nicely. A couple other things I did was I went ahead and blacked out the F-150 badges on the side. I also blacked out the F-150 badge on the front. On the back side, I blacked out the Texas edition, the EcoBoost badge, Ford logo, and I added the F-150 tailgate inlay. Really good addition, blacks out the truck nice. So other than the Ford in the ovals on the front and back, there's no more chrome left on this truck. As you can see, it's got a nice look. It is sitting a little bit higher in the front, like I said in my last video, so we might look into raising the back just a little bit to get it back to level. Moving on to the inside, like I said, the truck's doing great for 23 to 24,000 miles. No issues with the engine, powertrain, suspension, nothing. The only issues I've had have been minor little interior creaks. For example, when the music's playing somewhat loud and the bass gets going, this top piece right here tends to vibrate a little bit. I will give all an update. I am going to take it back to the dealer since it is under warranty and let you know what they do to fix that. The other interior creak is this speaker right here. As you can hear, it wiggles quite a bit. So sometimes it gets stuck in a position and it just vibrates a little bit. So I'm also going to take that back. Other than that, the interior is doing great. Love the catskin leather seats. As you can tell, they're not wearing at all. In a year and a half, I've done 24,000 miles, like I said. So people have been in and out of the seats. Go ahead and show you the driver's seat. Once again, just a little bit of wear, but most of that is just from me sitting on it right now. It goes away real quick. Love the WeatherTech floor liners. But yeah, that's just an update. It's going to be a quick video. Got a lot of big stuff coming. I'm working on a Chevrolet big block project. Hopefully I'll be announcing that here in a little bit. Also, I'm going to follow this video up with a install of Adams Polish's tire armor and Adams Polish's ceramic coating on these wheels. So, if you have any questions on anything, feel free to write them in the comments. Let me know. I'll be glad to answer them. And let me know what else you want to see on the truck. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. All my links are going to be in below. Thanks.